Hello friends, in today's video we would be discussing the top 7 smart tips on how to concentrate on studies during the exams season. Friends, are you looking for ways to improve your concentration and ace your exams? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to share with you the top 7 study tips and tricks that can help you to stay focused, motivated, productive, and become a topper in exams. So get ready to take notes on the best ways to improve your study concentration. Friends, the first point is create a study schedule. By setting aside specific times of the day to focus on your studies, you would be able to stay on track. Make sure to include breaks and a variety of subjects in your schedule in order to keep things interesting and to prevent boredom. Friends, the second point is eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone, log out of social media, and find a quiet place to study. If you are easily distracted by noise, then consider using noise-cancelling headphones or earplugs to block out the distractions. Friends, the third point is get some exercise. Physical activity can have a big impact on your ability to concentrate. Take a quick walk, do a few stretches, or even just stand up and move around for a few minutes every hour. This will help you to feel refreshed and to refocus your mind. Friends, the next point is use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to improve your memory and concentration. By writing down key information on cards, you can quickly and easily review the material. Friends, the fifth tip is take care of yourself. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and are managing your stress levels. These things will all have a direct impact on your ability to concentrate. Friends, the sixth tip is prioritize your tasks. It's important to prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important ones first of all. This will help you to be more productive and ensure that you are using your study time effectively. And friends, the seventh tip is try changing your environment. This can include things like studying in a different room, going to a library, park, or even just sitting in a different chair. By changing your surroundings, you can help to break up the monotony and keep your mind engaged. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on the top 7 smart study tips and tricks on how to concentrate on studies during the exam season. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.